Dear students, today we are going to discuss the very important topic, that is indifference curve. We already discussing the budget line yesterday, budget set and budget line. Now I am asking a simple question. What is the slope of the budget line? Budget line is left to right downwards, negative slope. It means if a consumer having income and prices of two commodities, he can purchase as per the prices of the two commodities whatever he want of one commodity or two commodities or both. So there are three options for consumer as per his income and as per the prices of the commodities. We already discussed. We will take two commodities. One is apples and second one is oranges. Apple cost is 5 rupees. The apple cost is 10 rupees, no problem. Apple cost is 10 rupees and orange cost is 5 rupees. If a consumer having 100 rupees, if he want to purchase only apples at the rate of 10 rupees, he can get 10 apples. 10 into 10, 100 rupees, because 100 rupees is maximum income. He will get 10 apples. He will not get any oranges. Why? Because there is no money. The total 100 rupees the consumer spent on apples, he will get 10 as per the price of the apple. Another consumer also having 100 rupees, he want to purchase oranges. One orange cost is 5 rupees. He can get 20 oranges. 20 into 5 is equal to 100 rupees. He will not get any apple. So, if you add either 10 apples or 20 oranges, if you add or if you draw a curve from y-axis to x-axis, y-axis is oranges and x-axis apples, that curve will come from left to right downwards, negative slope. So the budget line. So budget, this is the budget line. Yesterday we already discussed this budget line. Sir, if any student may ask, sir, this budget line can shift. Yes. There are two reasons to shift of the budget line. So one is, if the income of a consumer increases or decreases. That is one reason. The second reason is, if the price of the commodity increases or decreases of one commodity, the budget line can shift. So now we are drawing the budget line. Budget line. So first O y-axis and O x-axis. We are taking apples here. We are taking on y-axis oranges. Okay? Or this is called x, this is called y. no problem. So he can purchase of 20 oranges and 10 apples. As per his 100 rupees income, if you add both, this is called budget line. Budget line, or this is called price line also. Price line or budget line. So don't confuse in the examination. The other name of budget line is called price line. Now the question is, this budget line may shift. Yes. Budget line may shift towards right or towards left. When the budget line will be shift towards right and left, listen here. If a consumer having only 100 rupees, he can purchase of oranges and apples. This quantity, 10 apples and 20 oranges. Sir, I want more apples and more oranges. It is possible. When it is possible, if you have more money, more than 100 rupees. For example, the consumer having 200 rupees, he can purchase of more of oranges and more of, this is called A and B, capital A and capital B, no problem. This is a budget line. This is A1 and B1 is another budget line. It means if this is called income increases, the budget line shift towards right side. The budget line shift towards right means if your income increases, you can purchase, in place of 10 you may purchase 15. In place of 20 you may purchase 25. It means 5 oranges more and 5 apples are more. When it is possible, if your income increases from 100 to 200 or 150. It means very simple, if income increases, the budget line shift towards right. If income decreases, yes, in place of 100 rupees, you have only 50 rupees. You can purchase less quantity of apples and less quantity of oranges. It will shift towards left. This is called B2, here it is A2. This arrow mark indicates, this curve indicates leftward shift of budget line. Leftward shift of budget line. So in bracket, decrease in income. Decrease in income. So if you have only 50 rupees, you can't purchase 10 of apples. You may purchase of 5 apples. In place of 20, you may purchase only 10 oranges. So that's why income curve can shift towards right, can shift towards right based upon the income of a consumer. Okay, sir, I will agree. It means if income changes, the budget line also changes. We proved with the help of a diagram. Another change of budget line with the help of one commodity prices. For example, we are taking two commodities, one is apples and the second one is oranges. Now there is no change in income. Income is same 100 rupees. What is the rate of what is the price of the apple? 10 rupees. That's why we got 10. Now the apple cost decreases from 10 rupees to 5 rupees. We can purchase more apple or less apple. If the price of the apple decreases, we can purchase more apples. Here please remember, there is no change in the price of oranges. We are not changing the prices of second commodity. That price is same fixed, 5 rupees. We purchased 20 oranges. And income is also changed. Two things remain constant. One is income is constant and one commodity price is constant. Second commodity price decreases. What will be the budget line? This is the question. This can be proved with the help of a table. So, what you have to write here? Change of the price of one commodity. Slope of the budget line. So, here change in the price of commodity A, change in the price of commodity A. Here, no change in income, and no change in the price of commodity B. Commodity A we are saying apples, commodity B. Now what is the shape of the budget line? Same, you have to write here y axis, this is x axis. Here it is y axis. What we are taking it here is oranges. So this is commodity B. Apples, commodity A. This is the budget line. We already know. A, B is the budget line. As per the income, he can purchase OB quantity of A commodity, that is apples, OA commodity of oranges, that is commodity B. Now, there is no change in the price of oranges or commodity B, only the apple cost decreases from 10 rupees to 5 rupees. Please tell me, if the price of apple decreases, a consumer can purchase more or less. So, he can purchase more. Income is 100 rupees and price of oranges no change, only the price of apple decreases. That is why you have to read the question. Then you can purchase more of apples. Then the budget line shift towards right. Yes. So, before that one, at the rate of 10 rupees, he can purchase OB quantity of apples, maybe 10 apples, 10 into 10, 100 rupees. If it is 5, he can purchase OB1, this more quantity he can purchase. No change in income and no change in price of oranges or B commodity. That is why the origin point is the same. He can purchase more of apples or more of A commodity Before that one OB, now it is OB1. If the price of apple increases from 10 rupees to 15 rupees, he can purchase less. OB2. Because change of price of apple or a commodity, the price is decreases, he can purchase OB1 quantity. If the price is increases, he can purchase OB2 quantity, less quantity, because the price is more of apple, the price is less of the apple. But no change in income and no change in the price of oranges or commodity B. Same this can be do with the help of orange also. No change in the price of apple and no change in the income. So, this person can purchase more of and less of oranges. So, this diagram you have to do it like this. Same, O x axis apples, this is commodity A, oranges, commodity B, this is y axis, okay. This is the budget line. Budget line A, B. Now, no change in the price of A, only the orange cost decreases. He can purchase more of A. This is A1. He can purchase of same quantity of apple or more of oranges, because the price has decreased. If the price is increased, he can purchase less quantity of A. This is A2. This is this one. So, now what we discuss here in these three diagrams? Change of budget line. What is the other name of budget line? Price line. Change of budget line means either budget line shift towards right or towards left. Towards right means the income increases, the budget line shifted towards right. Income increases, the budget line shifted before A, B to A1, B1. Because due to increase of money, we can purchase of more quantities of commodity X and more quantity of commodity Y. If income decreases, reverse, we can purchase less quantity of commodity A and less quantity of commodity B. There is a possibility of increase in income and decrease in income. So, this is very, very important as a 3-mark question. How the budget line will shift towards right or shift towards left or change in the budget line. The question may ask in different way. This diagram. Then another diagram, due to change in the price of commodities, maybe commodity A or maybe commodity B. Commodity A, the two versions, commodity A, two versions. If the prices of the commodity A decreases, he can purchase more. That time the budget line shifted towards right. Starting point from B is the same. No change in the price of oranges or B. Only the price of apple decreases. That's why he can purchase OB1 quantity more than OB. If the price of apple increases, he can purchase less quantity. Please remember here, no change in income and no change in the price of B commodity or oranges. It can be same, you can convert here it is. No change in the price of apple and no change in the income, only the orange cost decreases, he can purchase more. If it is increases, he can purchase less. The starting point will be the same. Okay, this is the change in budget line. due to change in income and due to change in price of commodity A and commodity B. Is there any doubt? So, in the next class we will discuss about the indifference curve. So, what do you mean by indifference curve? What is the shape of the indifference curve and what is the shape of the indifference schedule? We will discuss in the next class.